Today we share with you the most important achievements of our institute by issuing the scientific journal, which is one of the most important issues. We aspire to the participation of all scientists inside and outside Sudan in the participation and dissemination of their scientific papers and scientific collaboration. We aim to disseminate research which contributes to support sustainable development in Sudan. Thank you, Sudan Knowledge. Dr. Sarah Ahmed Mohammed Saad, ENRIJ Editorial Board and member of Sudan Knowledge.
Hello ladies and gentlemen. The Environment and Natural Resources and Desertification Research Institute, abbreviated as ENRIJ, is one of 9 institutes and commissions belong to the National Center for Research in Sudan. ENRIJ is the largest institute in NCR. It constitutes about 9 departments. These include departments of environmental pollution and biopesticide and biofertilizers, bee research, and soil and water management, and socio-economic in dry land, animal production in dry land, and crop production and plant breeding in dry land, and range and browse in dry land, and lastly the Department of Biodiversity and Natural Resources. We see in this department a lot of research work are conducted every year. Besides so many patents and innovations which registered from time to time in ENRIJ. In fact, ENRIJ has an annual report which published annually. It convey outputs of research and findings of the institute, besides other activities of the environment of the institute, including, for instances, community services. In the past, we used to put all research output, including technical reports and lengthy papers, in this annual report. That is because there are a shortage in scientific journals which concerning environment and natural resources. That is why the institute decided in last year to publish a scientific journal so as to act as a medium for such plenty of research results in the institute, and also to invite other research articles in this area from inside and outside institutions. Hence, the Environment and Natural Resources International Journal, ENRIJ, was launched and to be published annually, at least at this moment. And on this occasion, I would like to thank the University of Sussex and Professor Allam for hosting our newly established journal in the website of Sudan Knowledge. We highly appreciated this initiative, and we are very happy to have you with us in this inauguration of the first issue of the ENRIJ, hoping to see more mutual benefits and more fruitful mutual relationships between our institutions for the sake of sustainable development and for the sake of healthier environment. Abdullah Abdurrahim Sati, Director of ENRIJ. Thank you very much.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Hello everybody. It gives me great pleasure to introduce the National Center for Research to you. The National Center for Research is part of the Ministry of Higher Education and Scientific Research. It was established in 1991. The main purpose for this center is to conduct applied scientific research on all issues which are concerned with the development and perhaps the sustainable development of all our resources. We have 9 specialized research institutes within the center in different disciplines, including desertification, environmental natural resources, tropical medicine, medicinal and aromatic plants, and remote sensing, and others, of course. They are 9, and they all are conducting applied research which will serve the development. We are very glad to have this very good link with the Sudan Knowledge Platform, and of course with the World Association for Sustainable Development. And we think we are in the line with the objectives of this association, and we are glad to be part of this program. And we hope that we can find mutual relations and mutual benefits between us and the diaspora, Sudanese diaspora in UK and perhaps in other countries, so that we can serve our country in the field of sustainable development. As I was saying, I can assure all the audience that all our work is under the theme of sustainable development. Otherwise, we cannot utilize the resources, we cannot utilize what we have in the country not in a sustainable manner. Otherwise, we are conducting criminal act against the next generations. We are fully pledged to do this research. We are financed by the Ministry of Finance through the Ministry of Higher Education, but still we have other avenues of finance. We have some international projects with some countries, with some research institutes and universities outside Sudan, in the region and in the world at large. I'm very glad to give this very short speech, and I hope the good luck for the association and for the Sudanese diaspora and the Sudan Knowledge Hub.